Hi, good afternoon, dear friends. This is Kasim Appa, Assistant Mathematics Teacher from SVHM School, Harinamara Camp. Dear friends, this is class 2, yes, part 2 video for the 5th standard, first chapter, that is large numbers. Dear students, in our previous class, already we have discussed about the yes sum or single digit number, biggest and which is biggest number, which is smallest number from single digit to 8 digit we have discussed in our previous class. Dear students, in our today class we have to discuss about the yes first one content is that is first content is yes numbers in words, numbers in words. Means write the numbers in words. How can we write? Suppose example first one, yes 2567. Yes, I can write these numbers in words. Yes, 2000 2000 2000 500 500 500 6 yes 67 67. Yes, like this we have to write. Example 2 dear students. Yes, 36,897. Yes, we need to write this given number in words. Yes, 36,000 36,000. Yes, 36,800 800 97 97. Yes dears, like this whatever numbers they can give we have to write the numbers in words. Second content in our today class dear students, that is expanded form. Yes, expanded notation. Second content our today class is expand the numbers or expanded form. Second content is expanded form, expanded form, expanded form of numbers, expanded form of numbers. This also very simple topic dear students. Expanded form of numbers means very simple. Suppose example 1 dears. Yes, 9557. Expand means if we want to expand the given numbers, we should have a basic concept of number system. I mean Indian number system. Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. This is the rule of Indian number system. Dear children, we know that very well. This 9 which is present in 10,000, yes, 9 into 10,000 plus this 5 which is present in 1,000, 5 into 1,000 plus this 5 is also present in place of, yes, this is 9,000 only. Sorry, this is 95 not ma. This is only 9,500. 9,557 years, sorry. Yes, right years here this 9% which is in 1,000 place, 9 into 1,000 plus 5 which is present in 100 plus this 5 which is present in 10 place, yes, 10 plus this 7 which is present in unit place. Unit means 1 dear students, 1. Yes, this is the expanded form. Further if I multiply we will get that, yes, 9,000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 7. Yes, this is the expanded form of whatever the given numbers. We can write like this. Whatever the number they can give, dear students, you should have keep in your mind. The face value means the number into the number which is present in place of, at which place it is present. At which place it is present. Example 2, dear friends. Suppose yes 13,549. Example second, dear friends. Suppose this one which is present in 10,000 place, 1 into 10,000. Yes, 1 into 10,000 plus, okay. Then this 3 which is present in 1,000 place, 3 into 1,000 plus this 5 which is present in 100 place, 5 into 100 plus this 4 which is present in 10 place, 4 into 10 plus 9 which is present in unit place. Unit means 1. Again if I multiply that, yes 1 into 10,000 means 10,000 itself. Yes 10,000 itself, yes 10,000 plus 3 into 1,000 means 3,000 plus 5 into 100 means 500 plus 4 into 10 means 40 plus 9 into 1 means 9. This is the expanded form of given number, dear students. Okay, let us see, dear children. Yes, third content in our class is that is group the numbers. Third content in our today class is that group the numbers and give comma. Yes, third content, group the numbers and give comma or put comma according to Indian number system. Yes, dear children, this is very important, ma'am. Very, very important. Here numbers we can group it into two types. One system is Indian number system. In the Indian number system, we can make the group first 3 digit one group. After every 2 digit, we can make one group. Suppose CDS. Example 1. Yes, 4, 3, 6, 9, 7, 6. What I told, according to the Indian number system, first 3 digit one group. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one group. Then remaining whatever the number set may be, we have to make 2 digits one group. 1 to 1 group. Then only one. Yes, this is 4,36,976. Yes. Then example second years. Suppose 9, 8, 7, 9, 1, 0, 2, 6. First 3 digit, yes friends, 1, 2, 3, one group. Then after every 2 digits, one group. 1 to, okay, 1 to, okay, yes. This is, yes, 9,87,000,sorry, 9,87,91,026. Like this, we have to make group the numbers according to the Indian number system. Okay, dear children, the remaining content in my today class I have to take in my next class. Thanking you all. Bye.